say, hey traders. So this evening I'm also sharing this Euro USD setup, or call it a forecast. And if you saw the forecast I posted in January, you were able to get this. If you were strong enough to hold, you were able to get all this buy move from this point right here, because I forecasted this move, bro. I forecasted this move from this point up to where it is now, right? I anticipated for this move, right? So, and I'm going to put the link of that video in this video's description, so check it out if you missed it, just in case you didn't watch that video on time, such that you can see how I anticipated for this move, right? You can see. So where am I looking? So guys, I was saying my network was a little bit slow, but I've fixed it. So I was saying that I'm going to put the link of that video in this video's description, right? So guys, as you can see, this I anticipated for this external range liquidity to get taken out, since price was coming from this weekly FVG, and you can see how it respected the consequent encroachment of this weekly FVG, right? So, and you can see how it's violating the what could have held price to the downside, which are the bearish PD rays. As you can see, this failed weekly FVG, this failed monthly inversed FVG. Right now it should be called a BPR, right? This was inversed twice, right? No, it was inversed once right here, then it gave a retest at it, then it gave this bullish push during the previous week, right? So what's my anticipation here? What could be my anticipation here? So guys, since we saw this rejection candle, that candle of the previous week, so since we saw that huge rejection to from the upside, so what should we expect is a tiny retracement to this weekly order block, right? To this weekly order block, because this was a swing low created right here, right? So this is a valid swing low, so we shouldn't expect price to take it out, right? So what should we expect is price to come to this order block, and if we were to measure this range, if you're to drop to the daily time frame, let's check, right? So you can see this was the daily inversed FVG, right? And this is the weekly order block. This is the weekly order block, and this tiny yellow box is the weekly FVG, as you can see it, right? So from the daily time frame, it can show us that Friday really retraced to it inversed it, then retraced. So we should expect either price to turn from that point or drop, retrace more lower into the weekly order block. But all in all, our overall anticipated direction is bullish till level. I'll give you the level coordinates. It's I'll first make sure that the level is correct, right? There we go. All right, the level we should all look at is level 1.1250, right? 1.1250, that's the level we should look at. So, and if we are to measure our premium discount just to get a re-entry, right? The weekly order block is in the discount zone, right? While the weekly FED is the equilibrium, which is also good. It's also good, right? So this is our point one for the entry one is the inverse weekly FED, or point two is the weekly order block. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share here, and always take note of my forecasts and always keep them in mind, guys. So that's all I wanted to share with you here, guys. This is the second video for today, and what I can tell you is that I'm going to start posting my trades, right? Like how I used to, though have been busy for some time. And yeah, so I also have plans. I made buy a new Equity Edge account, start documenting it here. I didn't document the other one very well or properly, but the next one I should document it better. So that's it for today, guys, and be safe. Maintain proper risk management and trade responsibly as a profitable trader. Good luck. Go did effects. I sign out.